Hey everyone, it's me again, and in this video we're gonna learn about how to create a block or a 3D solid like this one, taking the form or shape of a box. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to search for rectangle. Okay, I'm gonna draw an ordinary rectangle by plane. I'll double click here to get the XY plane, and I'll define the width and the length of the rectangle. So I'm gonna double click here to get a code block to define the width and length. So I'm gonna choose 10 for both, for width and length. So basically it's a square. Now we have the square. What I want to do is to extrude this rectangle. So I'm gonna search for extrude here, extrude as solid by direction and distance. Okay, let's connect these together. In the direction, I'll double click here to choose the Z-axis, and the distance. Actually, I can consider 210 also. Now we have the shape, the 3D solid. Okay, but what you may notice is that does not appear here in the model we're working on. So like the previous videos, I've explained why this happened. Well, actually, because we didn't use the geometry, we didn't use the model space, so we need to tell Dynamo to draw this element in the model space. So how to do that? Actually, there's a node called object by geometry. You're gonna find it here. Okay, yes, here it is. So this solid is kind of geometry, so I'll connect this by this one, and the layer, I'm gonna choose any layer that we're having in the sheet. So let it be 0. This is a layer that's called 0, and the block, I'm gonna choose the model space. Actually, this step actually is very important, because this step this shape in the model space here, you can see it works successfully. Okay, now we have this element here. This element is a 3D solid. So great. The last thing we need to do is to convert this 3D solid into a block. Actually, you can just simply, you can click on it and type B in the command bar, B for block, and hit enter. And in the name, you can name it wherever you want, block, and hit enter. And you're good to go. That's a block reference. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.